Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 7580 Stoney Lonesome Road in Williamson, steps away from Lake Ontario.
This is the ultimate ranch dream home with a fantastic in-law suite and nature views. So let's take a tour.
This is grand open country living with a cathedral ceiling great room, featuring a designer kitchen with beautiful soft close maple cabinetry, a walk-in pantry, a wet bar, and a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with deck access and great natural light. And a living area with a gas fireplace, all with an adjacent powder room and scenic country views.
The first floor also features a den or office and this amazing master suite with cathedral ceilings, deck access with nature views, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious spa bathroom.
This is the perfect in-law suite with a separate entrance from the garage, featuring a great room with a beautiful kitchen with maple cabinetry and a center island. Open to a dining and living area with deck access, a gas fireplace, and an adjacent powder room. All with a spacious master bedroom with 2 walk-in closets and a full bathroom. This home also features a finished lower level with an expansive bonus room, a full bathroom, plus 2 spacious bedrooms and a workshop. This architect-designed home has great curb appeal and quality throughout, with a maintenance-free exterior with pellet tilt-in windows and an expansive deck. All situated on over 1.5 private acres with exquisite landscaping, just steps away from Lake Ontario.
Enjoy nearby Bear Creek Harbor to launch your boat, with easy access to Rochester and all of Monroe County, and the charming hamlet of Pulteneyville.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7580 Stoney Lonesome Road in Williamson.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!